Welcome to the new Camtasia Studio.
Massage.
We encourage you to watch and play with this Getting Started project video to learn some of the most important concepts of using the editor.
Và bộ bướm đầu.
If you want more
Đẩy đầu
in-depth
massage sẽ
tutorials
đảm
that
nhận
will
vai
walk
trò
you through the
khác nhau
entire
trong việc
process
massage
of
và
recording,
dễ dàng
editing,
cảm
and sharing
Chỉ
your
cần
videos,
bạn nhẹ và
then
duỗi
please
ra
watch the Getting
là có
Started
thể
tutorial
khởi đầu
using this
massage.
link under the Help menu.
Đầu cho khớp, chuyên dùng để
The editor
massage
is divided up into
riêng như
three
là
main
cổ tay,
areas:
khuỷu tay,
clip
mắt
bin,
cá
the
chân.
timeline, and the canvas.
Đầu massage kim chân, đầu màu
Canvas is
vàng.
where you see your
Massage
video
các
during
vùng như lòng
playback.
bàn tay,
You
lòng
can
bàn
move,
chân và
resize,
đùi.
and reposition
Đầu
all
giảm
media
béo,
however
massage ở
you
những
want.
vùng khai thác mỡ như vùng
The
bụng,
timeline is
vùng
where
thắt
you
lưng,
assemble
bắp
and
đùi.
edit your video.
Đầu massage lông mềm,
At the
kết
top
hợp
of the
với những
timeline,
vùng da nhạy
tick
cảm
marks
như cổ,
represent
bả
time in
vai
terms
và
of
các
minutes
đôi
and
ngón tay.
seconds.
Đầu xoa
When
bóp cổ
building a
lông,
video,
thắt
you'll
lưng
work in a
mại
horizontal
tại các
manner,
vùng da mặt,
beginning from the
như da
left
mặt,
and
da
moving
đầu,
sequentially
mát xa
through
mặt
time
kết hợp
toward
với
the
phần
right.
dưới
The new
da,
Camtasia
sẽ giúp
Studio.
giảm massage.
We encourage you to watch and play with this Getting Started project video to learn some of the most important
đầu lông
concepts
mềm,
of using
đầu
the
xoa
editor.
bóp và bộ bướm đầu.
If you want more
Đẩy đầu
in-depth
massage sẽ
tutorials
đảm
that
nhận
will
vai
walk
trò
you through the entire process of recording,
và dễ dàng
editing, and sharing your videos, then please watch the Getting Started tutorial using this link under the Help menu.
Đầu cho khớp, chuyên dùng để
The editor is divided up into three main areas:
khuỷu tay,
clip bin,
cá chân.
timeline, and the canvas.
Đầu massage kim chân, đầu màu
Canvas is
vàng.
where you see your
Massage
video
các
during
vùng như lòng
playback.
bàn tay, lòng bàn chân và
Resize
đùi.
and reposition
Đầu
all
giảm
media
béo,
however
massage ở
you
những
want.
vùng khai thác mỡ như vùng
The
bụng,
timeline is
vùng
where
thắt
you
lưng,
assemble
bắp
and
đùi.
edit your video.
Đầu massage lông mềm,
At the
kết
top
hợp
of the
với những
timeline,
vùng da nhạy
tick
cảm
marks
như cổ,
represent
bả
time in
vai
terms
và
of
các
minutes
đôi
and
ngón tay.
seconds.
Đầu xoa
When
bóp cổ
building a
lông,
video,
thắt
you'll
lưng
work in a
mại
horizontal
tại các
manner,
vùng da mặt,
beginning from the
như da
left
mặt,
and
da
moving
đầu,
sequentially
mát xa
through
mặt
time
kết hợp
toward the
với
right.
dinh dưỡng da sẽ giúp giảm hấp
Tracks are
thu
layered
dưỡng
on
chất.
top of each
Bộ
other.
bướm đầu,
The
massage
media
các
you
vùng
add
cơ
on
thể như
higher
là bụng,
tracks
thắt
is
lưng
viewed
và
on
lưng.
top of media
Đây là
on
những
lower
vị trí
tracks
hay
of
bị
the
nhức mỏi.
canvas.
Thiết
Notice
kế
how the
bướm dấu
video,
sẽ
for
cùng một lúc
example,
tác động
this
đến những
callout
vị
is
trí
placed
liền
on
kề.
top of the video
Và
track
đầu
on the
kích thích những
timeline,
vị trên
and
cơ thể.
therefore is on top
Không
of
những
the
thế,
screen video
trên
on
máy
the
còn tích
canvas.
hợp đèn
To
hồng
remove
ngoại.
a portion
Những
of
phần
If I
được
drag
tích
the
hợp bởi
video
đèn
track
hồng
on
sẽ
top
ấm
of the
lên.
callout on the
Kết hợp với
timeline,
massage
the
giúp giảm
callout
đau,
is now
kích
hidden
thích lưu
behind
thông
the
máu,
video on
thư
the
giãn
canvas.
cơ, tăng cường khả năng phục
Use
hồi
the
sức
zoom
khỏe.
slider to
Nhỏ
magnify
gọn,
the view of
dễ
the
cầm nắm,
timeline.
dễ
This
thao
is
tác.
very
Chỉ
helpful
cần
when
xoay
making
nhẹ là máy
precise
đã được
cuts
kích
and
hoạt và
selections,
đánh liên
like
tục.
removing
Press
ums in your
Ctrl
audio.
Z on the keyboard to undo.
New media can be dragged and
Or
dropped
choose
on an
Edit
existing
Undo.
track. Or a new track is
Double-click the
automatically
playhead to
created when media
deselect.
is dropped at this location at the top
Next,
of the
we'll look at
timeline.
the clip bin in the library.
To change the position of a
clip bin
clip on the
holds
timeline,
recordings,
just
audio
drag
files,
it.
images, and title
To
slides
change the
being used in
duration
the
of a
project
clip,
you're currently
drag the
working
edges
on.
in either direction.
The library stores video clips,
An important part of the
intros,
timeline
callouts,
is the
title
playhead.
slides, and other media
To view your
assets you
video,
want to use
click
from
play.
project to project.
Notice how the video and the
It is
timeline's
pre-populated
playhead
with
stay in
professional
sync.
content you can use in your
Click
videos.
anywhere along the timeline
You
and the
can
playhead
download more
moves to
media
that
from our
point.
website by clicking this
To
link.
remove a portion of your
You'll
video,
find a lot
make
more
a selection
music,
with the
callouts,
green
and animated
in point
titles
and
to
red
use in your
out point.
projects. And it's all
Then,
free.
click the Cut button.
Once you find something
If you
like,
don't want
like
media
this
cut on
callout,
a
for
specific
example,
track,
just
click
drag it
the
to a
lock
track
icon.
on the timeline and resize and reposition
If you make a
it as
mistake while
needed.
editing, press Ctrl Z on the
Double-click
keyboard
the
to
callout
undo,
on the canvas to open the
or
callouts
choose
tab
Edit
and
Undo.
edit the text. Or change
Double-click
any
the
of the text
playhead to
properties
deselect.
like color or size.
Next, we'll look at the clip bin in the library.
You can
The
find a
clip
number
bin
of
holds
other callouts to
recordings,
use
audio
in your
files,
projects by
images, and
expanding
title
the Shapes
slides
menu.
being used in the project you're currently working on.
You've probably noticed
The
the
library
video
stores
zooming in
video
and out
clips,
at times.
intros,
For example,
callouts,
here
title
when it's
slides,
zooming into the
and other
timeline.
media assets you want to use
To learn
from
more about
project to
adding and
project.
customizing zoom and pan
It is
animations to your
pre-populated
video.
with professional
Check
content
out
you
the
can
other
use in
Getting
your
Started
videos.
tutorials on our website.
You can download more media
We've
from our
talked about
website
some
by
of the
clicking
tabs
this
already,
link.
but be sure to explore
You'll find a
the
lot more
others for
music,
adding and
callouts,
editing
and
special
animated
effects.
titles to use in your projects.
If
And
they
it's
don't
all
all
free.
show up as tabs, click on
Once
the
you
More
find
tab
something
to
you like
explore others,
like this callout for
like the
example,
speech-to-text
just drag it to a
capabilities and
track on the
captions,
timeline and
and the
resize and
improved quizzing.
reposition it as needed.
Also, transitions can now be
Double-click the
dragged
callout on the
directly
canvas
to
to
the timeline
open the
and
callouts
added on
tab
top of
and edit the
clips.
text, or change
So
any
we've
of the
shown a
text
few ways you
properties
can
like
navigate
color
and edit
or
your
size.
video. But how do you get content into your video?
You can find a
make a
number
new
of other
screen
callouts
recording,
to use
click
in
the
your
Record the
projects by
Screen button.
expanding the Shapes menu.
If you already have an audio or video recording
recording
You've
you'd like
probably
to
noticed
use,
the video
click the
zooming in
Import
and out
Media
at
button.
times. For example, here when
you're
it's
done with
zooming
your
into the
video project,
timeline.
you'll need to click the Produce
To
and
learn
Share
more about
button to
adding
create
and
a shareable
customizing
video.
zoom and pan animations to your
Expand
video,
this menu to see
check
a
out
variety
the other
of
Getting
presets.
Started tutorials on
We
our
have a
website.
new video player that plays back your
We've
MP4
talked about some of
video
the tabs
and includes
already,
other
but be sure to
interactive
explore
features
the others for
like
adding
table
and
of
editing
contents,
special
closed
effects.
captions, quizzes, and even
If they don't all
hotspotting.
show up as tabs, click on the
These
More
features are
tab to
available
explore
when
others,
hosting your video on
like the
TechSmith
speech-to-text
screencast.com
capabilities and captions,
or the video and
and the
player
improved
on your
quizzing.
own web server.
Also, transitions can now be dragged directly to the timeline and added on top
whether
of
it's a
clips.
phone, tablet, laptop,
So
or
we've shown a
desktop
few ways
computer.
you can navigate and
Well,
edit your
it's
video.
time for you to try
But how do
Camtasia
you
Studio
get
for
content
yourself,
into
using
your
the
video?
content on the timeline.
To make a new
Or better
screen
yet,
recording,
create
click
your
the
own.
record the screen button.
We have lots of free tutorials on our website.
If you already
and I
have an
recommend you
audio or
begin with the
video
Getting
recording you'd
Started
like to
series.
use, click the Import
Also,
Media
the help
button.
file inside Camtasia Studio
When you're
tells
done
you
with
how
your
to
video
use each of the
project,
Camtasia
you'll need to
Studio
click the
features
Produce and Share button
applications.
to create a shareable video.
One last thing. If you ever
Expand
want
this
to
menu
open
to
this
see a
Getting Started
variety of
project again
presets.
to view or
We have a
practice
new
with,
video player
use
that
this
plays
link
back
here.
your MP4 video and
Thanks for
includes
watching,
other
and we hope you
interactive
enjoy
features
Camtasia Studio.
like table of contents, closed captions, quizzes, and even hotspots. These features are available when hosting your video on TechSmithScreencast.com or the video and player on your own web server. This player provides playback on multiple devices with just one video, whether it's a phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. Well, it's time for you to try Camtasia Studio for yourself using the content on the timeline, or better yet, create your own. We have lots of free tutorials on our website, and I recommend you begin with the Getting Started series. Also, the help file inside Camtasia Studio tells you how to use each of the Camtasia Studio features and applications. One last thing, if you ever want to open this Getting Started project again to view or practice with, use this link here. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy Camtasia Studio.